Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so how are you doing? How is your day? Okay, so if you're new, you are highly welcome. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your dirty tongue and what to use and how to get a sparkling white teeth, just like my mine. Yeah, I do this at least once in a week. Anytime I do it, I tend to make a video to show you guys how I clean my teeth and make my teeth whiter and whiter. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you all of the full ingredients. There are 2 steps to this, and I'm sure if you do this, your teeth is gonna get whiter and you are going to have a fresh breath. Okay, so don't forget to thumbs up if you do love the video and subscribe. Let me take you right into the video. This is one great way to remove some dirty tongue, have a fresh breath, and get a super white clean teeth. Yeah, okay, so the first ingredient, which is very important, is organic apple cider vinegar. Organic apple cider vinegar that contains the mother in it. Yeah, so this is what we're going to do. So what we're going to do is that we're going to be putting in just a little quantity of this apple cider vinegar. About half cup of this is okay. Now after putting that, then we're gonna reach out for our water, and then we're gonna be putting about half cup of that too. Now after doing that, then we're gonna be needing some salt. Now the salt is going to help to kill all of the bacteria, and it's going to help to give you that fresh breath, and it's going to help for your gum. Yeah, so we're going to be taking just a pinch of the salt, and then we're going to be putting that into the water. Stir this up. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is very important for this, is alcohol. So you're going to be needing some white alcohol, and what you'll be needing here is that you're going to be putting just a little like this. You can see half of a tablespoon of alcohol into this is going to be better. So you drop that in. And after you put that in, then you stir it all up. Yeah. Okay, so with this, you can use it to Google your mouth, and this is actually going to help to kill all of the bacteria in your mouth. It's going to help to freshen your breath, and it's going to help to strengthen your teeth. Yeah, okay, so you do not need to put too much of the apple cider vinegar, okay, so that you can protect your tooth enamel. Yeah, okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to mix an ingredient for the teeth. Yeah, so we're gonna be needing some paste, most definitely. So you're going to be pressing in some paste into this. Alright, and you're equally going to be needing some baking soda. Okay, just a little quantity of this baking soda is going to be very helpful for your teeth. So about half of a teaspoon of this baking soda is basically what we're going to be needing. Yeah, so after putting that, then we'll give this a mix so that the baking soda and the paste would mix together and give us a fine paste. So after that is done, we're going to be needing to use coconut oil, and we're going to be needing just a little drop of this coconut oil. Now why we actually need to use coconut oil is so that it could help us to protect gum from the baking soda, while the baking soda is going to help us to whiten up the teeth. Okay, really well. Alright, so and then also we're going to be needing lemon. Now lemon is a great teeth whitening remedy, but when you're using lemon plus baking soda, you don't have to use it every day. It's going to be once in a week kind of practice here, okay, when you're using lemon. So what I'm going to do is that since I have a half cut of my lemon, I'm going to be squeezing just a few drops of this lemon into the paste, and then we are going to be mixing it all up together, and the paste is going to be a fine, smooth and very effective paste for your teeth. Wow, this is good, yeah. Okay, so what you do is that you brush your teeth with this at least once in a week for a whiter teeth, a healthy teeth, and then you Google your mouth with this to remove all of the bad breath. Yeah. Okay, so let's go do this so you could see how I'm gonna be doing all of this. Yeah. Okay guys, so to have a fresh breath, you're gonna be using this water to go with your mouth. So all of the things I mix here is actually very healthy, and when you're using this, you have to use at least once in a week, okay? But if you want, you can actually use twice in a week for this particular one, yeah. So but for this particular one, it has to be once in a week, okay? So you Google your mouth with this. You must make sure that the water actually touches your tongue, because I know that some people, the taste in your mouth accumulates at the tongue area, okay? So make sure that it touches your tongue. Now, if you have all of those dental plaque or hole or decay in your teeth, this is actually going to help you. Now, if you have sore in your mouth, like if you have a little wound in your mouth, it's going to be pepperish, but do not worry. That is actually how it is, okay? It's actually killing off any bacteria whatsoever. Okay, so for this particular one, you use it to brush your teeth, yeah. Wash your upper, lower mouth, everywhere, and make sure to also brush your tongue, yeah. This is superb. So after brushing, you can go wash it off like almost immediately, okay, and then repeat it at least once or twice in a week and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go wash and I'll be right back, okay. So that's it, guys. You know, google it just like I did, and brush your teeth up down, and brush your tongue. I forgot to tell you, yeah, a dirty tongue is a dirty mouth. If your tongue is dirty, there is no way your breath is going to be fresh. So you have to always brush your tongue from the inside out, yeah, that way you have a fresh breath. Okay, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.